Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie and we are here in Krakow, Poland. We have been here, this is our 5th day, and we haven't done too much because I have a boot on my foot. But today we ventured out and we're heading to the castle. It's Monday. You need to check for yourself, but they offer free entry on Monday, at least a part of the castle. So I think we're going to see 3 different sites. We're going to take you along. We just finished our tour of Wawel Castle. We were here on a Monday, which gives you access to 3 different sections for free. We saw the Armory, Lost Wawel, which is like the architectural type of stuff. We saw some cool porcelain tiles in that section, but my favorite section was the Turkish tents, which were super cool. I really want my own. I don't think I can afford it, but you never know. Just left the Pinball Museum here in Krakow. We paid $10 US each. It had tons of pinball machines, and I played tons that I never even knew existed, and we had a blast. I would do it again. Garrett probably not so much. Can't even launch the ball. Today we made our way to the Rakowicki Cemetery here in Krakow. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. We took the tram over here. It took us about 20 minutes from the Jewish quarter to get here. It's very peaceful over here. It's very large. The cemetery was opened back in 1803, and since that time it's still active. We've seen a lot of people here cleaning headstones, adding flowers, lighting candles, and it's a very pretty, serene place. And if you get a chance, come here if you're ever in Krakow.
fallen tree parts.
So we have been here in the cemetery, I don't know, 15 minutes walking around. The bells started chiming. We thought that might be to indicate time, but they have been going off for a very long time. We are not sure why. We're not sure if we're supposed to leave or stay here, but we're going to continue to walk around, and at some point they will stop. Hey, they just stopped. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. Check out our blog at slowtravelchronicles.com. We also have Instagram, also under Slow Travel Chronicles. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.